In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly search for contacts in Pipedrive so you can find the right person or company in seconds. Start on your Pipedrive dashboard and look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the global search bar. This is the fastest way to find anything in your account, including contacts, without navigating through different sections. Click into the search bar and type any detail you remember about the contact. This could be a name, company, email, phone number, job title, or even a keyword from your notes. Pipedrive is flexible, so even partial information works well. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear instantly below the search bar. These are real-time matches based on what you've entered. You can click one of these suggestions or press Enter to view the full results. On the results page, you'll notice that entries are grouped into categories like deals, leads, activities, and contacts. To stay focused, select the Contacts category. This filters out everything else and shows only people and organizations. From here, scroll through the list and look for the correct match. Your search term will be highlighted, making it easier to spot the right contact quickly. If you don't find what you're looking for right away, try adjusting your search. Use a simpler term, remove extra details, or switch to something like a company name or part of an email address. Even a small piece of information can help surface the right result. That's all it takes. Just use the global search bar, enter what you know, and filter by contacts to quickly find exactly who you're looking for in Pipedrive.